learners, and welcome to the last episode of EDUcomics in Science 6, created by Johnson & Johnson in partnership with JA Philippines. We are very happy that you have experienced all the fun learning with us in the previous 3 adventures of ScienCom. For this last episode, we made sure to prepare another topic, which is not only interesting, but an essential knowledge to have. Today's topic is something that affects all basic life activities. Whether it is as simple as bathing under the sun or moving an object, it's even about an engine starting a car, or all the technologies that make our lives easier. What is the topic? Today it is all about forces and energy. Energy is all around us. It sustains our life and keeps us going. It is important to learn about energy and forces because everything we do is impacted by it. Today, we will realize and appreciate the dynamics of using energy, force, and motion. How these are interrelated and how these sustain our lives. This episode is filled with so much useful information that will help us understand deeply about our planet Earth, this beautiful place we live in. So again, bring out your pens and notebooks and make sure to take lots of notes. Once again, remember that whenever you hear the sound, you have to listen carefully and follow the instructions given. Are you ready? Let's listen in and have fun as we learn together.
All right, our next jumper we have Sai, who will attempt to break her last long jump record of 1.6 meters. And there she goes. It looks like she's off to a good start. Wait, what's happening? Oh no, she slipped past a puddle from last night's downpour. Oh no! She's slipping, and there she goes. It's gotta hurt. And she's up! Looks like she's all right, folks.
Ow! Ow, ow! Sai, are you okay? I'm okay, but ow, my butt is sore.
Well, you were supposed to land on your legs, not your butt.
Ouch! Why does gravity hate me, Com?
Actually, gravity does not hate you. It was just very good at doing its job. Because everything we do, even falling on our butts, is subject to the laws of physics.
The laws of physics made me fall on my butt?
Yes. Well, technically, gravity and lack of friction did.
Really? How?
Before I explain, I would like to say hello to our learners.
Hello, learners! Are you as curious as I am to find out why I fell on my butt?
Just make sure to bring out your pens and papers again and take down notes because we will be asking questions. Okay, going back to the topic. It is gravity that pulls things to the ground. That's why when you ride on a bike on a hill, it is easier to ride down the hill and very difficult to ride up.
Oh boy, I know that feeling. Is that why it is easier to slide down than climb up its ladder?
Yeah. And it's good to remember that when objects fall, they fall faster and faster by a rate of 32 feet per second. But sometimes, there is air resistance that slows down some objects when they fall.
Okay, well, I guess air resistance couldn't really stop me from falling down. How about friction? What happened there?
Well, you see, you slip because of a lack of friction. Friction slows down the movement of objects. And things that have smoother surfaces have less friction compared to the objects that have rougher surfaces. And you landed in a puddle, which has less friction than dry ground. So you see, gravity doesn't hate you. It really can't help doing its job when there's less friction. Now that you know the science, you should try jumping again.
Okay, but honestly, I need more energy first. Oh boy, I'm hungry.
Well, there's a science to that as well. You need energy transformation.
Energy transformation? Actually, I think I need a burger. Or maybe a pizza.
Or vegetables for mechanical energy.
Mechanical energy? How is that related to my hungry tummy?
Well, mechanical energy is the form of energy to make things move, like your body or simple machines.
Oh, wait. Are there other forms of energy?
There are many forms, actually. All right. Take notes, everyone. Aside from mechanical energy, we have chemical, the energy stored inside molecules that are released during chemical change. Electrical, energy made by moving electrons. And of course, sound.
Sound is a form of energy?
Yes. Sound is energy made by the vibration of matter. We also have heat, energy made by the motion of molecules. The more the molecules move, the hotter the energy is. There's also radiant energy that can travel through a vacuum of empty space. This includes light, ultraviolet radiation, and X-rays. And finally, there's nuclear energy. This is the energy that is produced when the nucleus of an atom is split apart. This splitting is called nuclear fission. It is also the energy that is produced when two or more atoms are put together through nuclear fusion.
I had no idea that energy was so cool and that there are so many forms of it. I'm still confused though. How is this related to my hungry tummy?
Well, all matter contains energy, but this energy has to be changed into a form we can use. This is done through energy transformation.
Oh, I get it. I need food matter that must undergo energy transformation so I can have energy to jump again.
Very good. Yes, and we have to remember that whenever energy is transformed, heat is produced.
Like the heat that is being produced right now from Kuya's fishbowl stall. Perfect. Kuya, 2 fishbowl sticks, please. Oh, wait. Make it 3.
Correct. And there's chemical energy also coming from Kuya's gasol, which he needs to turn on to fry.
Yum, yum, fish balls.
And eating food is another example of energy transformation from chemical to mechanical energy. When we eat food, our body transforms it into energy we can use so that we can move.
Thank goodness that energy transformation can be so yummy. What else can we learn about energy?
Energy can travel a long way and find many different uses along the way. For example, power from a hydroelectric power plant, which produces mechanical energy, travels through electric wires as electrical energy is used by different appliances at home as different forms of energy. Can be mechanical, sound, or heat energy.
Wow! I never realized how much energy we use at home.
Yes, we really do. And because we use so much energy, it is important that cities use alternative energy, meaning energy sources that are clean and renewable.
Oh, like the hydroelectric plant that uses energy from water.
Yes, or we can also use solar energy from the sun or wind power.
Wow, I just realized we learned so much about energy. Maybe it's time to review.
That's the spirit. Are you and our learners ready?
Yes, we are.
Okay, first question. What slows down some objects when they fall to the ground because of gravity?
Aerosol! resistance!
Good! Next, can you name the different forms of energy we learned?
Mechanical, chemical, electrical, sound, heat, radiant, and nuclear.
Wow! You all really do listen. Good job! So, to wrap up our learning about forces and energy today, we really just have to remember that energy is necessary so we can live. We need it to move, to do our activities, and to use our machines and gadgets.
And what I really learned today? That, at the same time, forces like friction and energy affect how we and other objects can move, and sometimes fall on your butt.
Yes! And it is the perfect meeting point of energy and forces that can help execute the once-in-a-lifetime long jump. Are you ready to try again?
You bet I am! Let's do this! Let's use energy!
All right, and she's back. Sai is back. She's definitely determined to break her last long jump record of 1.6 meters. And there she goes! She's running, she's jumping, and it's like she's flying. She has so much energy. And wow, amazing! She just broke her record, folks! From 1.6 meters to an amazing 1.9 meters!
Woo-hoo! Wow! You did it, Sai!
Woo! I really did! Thank you, Energy Transformation!
What an amazing final episode! Congratulations, Sai, on that amazing jump! And thank you, Com, for teaching us all about forces and energy. But really, and most importantly, the learning today and in the past episodes would not have been complete at all if not for you, our learners. Thank you for listening and participating. We hope that you have learned a lot from our EDUcomics audiobook episodes. Thank you so much to Johnson & Johnson, as well as for your partnership with JA Philippines. Until we meet each other again, let's keep learning!